Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm getting ready to go to an event tonight, and I just wanted to film a quick tutorial on my staple pageant eyeshadow makeup look. That was a lot. So basically I'm gonna go from this to this. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13 right on my eye. So I'm just going to blend all of that out. Then I'm going to set it real quick using the e.l.f. sheer setting powder. Comes in this cute little container because literally there's only a little bit of product, use it sparingly. For this look I'm going to be using the Morphe Dare to Create palette. It just has such a big variety of colors. Check this out. You got your blues, your reds, your neutrals, and then your greens. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take this nice fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with this transition color right here and slapping that right into the crease. I usually go for more pink toned eyeshadows when I'm going out, only because my favorite color is pink, and for some reason I'm always wearing pink or a darker color or something along those lines that matches pink. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a teensy weensy bit of this color, just not going in too harshly because it is a strong color. So right into the crease I go. Take this shade on the more neutral side and go deepen our crease. Now I'm just going to go back in with this brush with not a lot of product on it and just blend everything together one more time. Next, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Molten Liquid eyeshadow right here, but it's upside down. I'm just going to go in on my eyelid and kind of draw out a cut crease without actually having to do all the concealer part of the cut crease. Because when you go into events and stuff and you're a pageant queen or whatever, you don't have a lot of time to be cutting your crease. So this is like an express right now. And then just look up so you can see where you need to continue drawing out your crease. And then you just want to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just going to go back in with this brush and blend it in a little more at the edges. Then I'm going to take the black from this palette and I'm going to deepen the crease even more, but not up here, just out here. Next, I'm going to be taking my favorite it's not a highlighter, but it's my favorite inner corner brow bone highlight, which is from the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. Oh my god. I still don't know if it's my treat or rowdy, but it's this color right here, and let me tell you, you will be glowing from here to Texas with this. Like, get this palette. If you don't get any other thing from ColourPop, I recommend this. This is like the best palette ever. Yes! So, then I'm gonna blend it all out again using this, just so it's not such a harsh lineup thing. Then I'm going to line my eyes with the NYX liquid matte liner. Now usually when I'm going to events, I don't even like do a wing. I just put it right here, just so that when I put on my lashes, it doesn't have that weird separation, because I hate that. I recommend using a little mirror like this one, only because liner gets serious. Like, you need to be this close to your face when you're doing liner. I'm joking, but you still need to get close. Wow! That is nice. That's as good as it's gonna get. Next, so I don't look like a dead person, I am gonna be putting on some lashes. I've recently bought lashes from Lash Pop Lashes. The lashes are not in here. And I'm gonna be wearing the lashes in Pink Fire. Before I do that, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara on the top lash. I'm also gonna put a little color at the bottom lash as well. Usually for a lip color, I do like a neutral pink, but still pink. Because a lot of the times when people go neutral pink, they go nude, which means they don't put anything on their lips. Okay, when you're going to an event, Carmex doesn't cut it. I'm gonna line my lips with this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Pencil. That is the easiest way to line your lips. I don't know why people be like just doing the bottom lip and then doing the top lip. Like, no, go like this, so that it gives you a little guidance on the top. Duh. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild lipstick in Bare It All and just go in the center. Then I do love a glossy lip, so I'm gonna add a lip gloss on top. This one is from Revlon, and it is their, let's find out, Ultra HD Lip Lacquer. So I'm gonna put this on top. It does get like hella messy, but it's cute or whatever. This is the finished look, you know, really glam, really pink, really cute, nice highlight, lip gloss. You just look really beautiful, and you're ready for just about any event. Because I pretty much wear this everywhere I go, because, like, who's gonna stop me? No, but I do wear this to almost every event I go to, because it's really clean and very easy to do, and it looks so good in like every single picture. So if you want to try it, let me know. Maybe, I don't know, post a picture of it on your Instagram and tag me. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. On Instagram, my name is @APLou28. My Snapchat is @APLou128. And my Twitter is very different. It is SYRI36966. Don't ask me where I got it from. We're just gonna leave it. And yeah, follow me on all my social media so you can keep up with what I'm doing, when I'm gonna be posting more videos and all that. And like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so that you can know when I post a video, because otherwise I'm gonna post a video and you're not gonna know. And then it's gonna be like, Angie, you never posted a video, and I'm gonna be all like, yes I did. So yeah. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.